The single-cut diamond is a vintage cut that was originally designed in the 19th century. It features 17 or 18 facets, as opposed to the 57 or more facets found in more modern cuts, such as the round brilliant. This cut was popular before more advanced diamond cutting techniques were developed. Despite having fewer facets, the single-cut diamond still offers a subtle sparkle and charm often preferred for its classic understated look. What makes the single cut unique is its simplicity and historical appeal. Its modest number of facets gives it a vintage, old world charm that is perfect for those who appreciate antique or retro jewelry. The cut's slightly less intense brilliance compared to modern cuts actually works in its favor for a softer, more delicate light reflection, making it ideal for smaller diamonds or accent stones. The single cut diamond is perfect for those looking for a diamond that's both elegant and timeless, often used in vintage inspired engagement rings, earrings, or as accent stones in more intricate settings. Its classic beauty and unique history make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a more refined, understated look with a rich story. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.